Part of a $6 million grant is headed to West Michigan, awarded to Michigan State University's medical school for research on Parkinson's disease. Two new researchers at MSU will share nearly half of the award with the University of Cincinnati. University officials say this grant makes them a major player in research for Parkinson's. Sue Shaw in the newsroom with more on this big announcement. Sue?
That's right, Brian. I'm joined right here by one of the doctors who will actually be conducting some of that research. This is Dr. Jack Lipton. Thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it. Well, this is exciting news. We're getting some of the money out of $6 million. What will we be seeing here in West Michigan?
Well, two of us who are part of this research team have moved here from the University of Cincinnati already, and we're beginning our research here in January 2nd, and we'll be conducting our research, which is all part of this Udall Center, which are these funds that we get from the National Institutes of Health, and hopefully we'll see all of this. All of these funds will be here in Michigan by July of 2010.
About $3 million or so?
It's about $3 million over the next 5 years, and then the other half would be here hopefully by July of 2010. So all $6 million will eventually be here.
Now, how is this money secured for this whole operation?
Well, this is a grant that's secured from the National Institute of Neurodegenerative Diseases and Stroke, which is a sub-institute of the NIH, and we apply for those funds as a group, and this particular award is designed specifically for research in Parkinson's disease, and that's our main area of research.
And that is just going to be hopefully some real breakthrough innovations with this money. We're hoping. What direction do you plan to go in when this money arrives?
The idea behind this kind of work is to work on experimental therapeutics. So some of the work we do is in stem cells. We also do work in trying to understand why certain types of drugs lose their effectiveness over time with the disease. And we are also working on how depression exacerbates Parkinson's disease. And finally, one of my colleagues who's already here at Michigan State in the College of Human Medicine, Carol Sortwell, is examining deep brain stimulation, which is a surgical therapy, and trying to understand exactly how it works, why it works, and whether it actually can improve patients' outcome over time.
So is this basically building on a lot of research that's already been out there and sort of trying to see where we go, the next step in some of that?
Yeah, the goal is really with this research is to understand more about the disease and then also to try and improve patients' lives. It's hard to talk about a cure with a disease, and people like to talk about it as a promise. And what we like to do is try and think of our work as extending patients' lives, making their lives better so that they can outlive their disease.
Dr. Jack Lipton, thank you so much for joining us. Welcome to West Michigan.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations on the grant. That's going to do it for 24 Hour News 8 at 5:30. Thank you for joining us. Stay with us. 24 Hour News 8 at 6 is next.